Are you stuck on how to teach letter and sound correspondence? Check out this video for some fun activities that you can do with your learner using flashcards. Hey guys, it's April from Teach Young Minds, and today we're going to be talking about letter and sound correspondence. By the end of this video, you'll have 4 fun activities that you can do with your learner using just flashcards. Alright friends, I hope this video has been super helpful for you to help you get started in teaching letter and sound correspondence. I have a free download of all the flashcards that I've been using in this video that you can use with your learners, so make sure you check it out. So the question of the day is, which card game would you love to try with your learner? Make sure you comment down below. If this video has been super helpful for you, make sure you hit that like button so you can let me know. Subscribe, share with all your friends that are interested in teaching young minds, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!